Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam, and on this episode, we're getting ready to make country fried pork chop and biscuit sandwich. Oh my goodness. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, we're getting ready to make our biscuits. I'm going to make those first, put them in the oven. While they're in the oven, we're going to prepare our country fried pork chops. Now I'm going to run through my biscuits pretty rapidly right now because I've got a couple of other videos on my channel where I have detailed instructions on how to make these exact biscuits. And I will leave that information at the end of this video. So stay tuned to the end. And if you want to know how to make them from scratch, step by step, the link will be at the end of this video. So let's go. Okay, we're going in a 425-degree oven and get our chops done. Okay guys, we have our skillet right here getting ready to heat up. And because we're making this into sandwiches, I have thin, boneless pork chops here. These make the perfect sandwich. You don't have that bone in there and they're not too thick. But first we need to season up our flour. I have a little milk here with lemon juice in it, making my own buttermilk that way. And to that I'm going to add my seasonings, which will be onion powder, adding both to the flour and the buttermilk. I'm going in with some black pepper in both buttermilk and flour mixture. Next, we're going to go in with a little garlic powder. Use the other side here. And a little Himalayan salt. When it comes to the salt, guys, I always say season to your own taste. If you can't have it, don't want it, don't use it. We're also adding some baking powder into our flour mixture. And we're adding cornstarch into our flour mixture. This is going to ensure it comes out just nice and crispy. Go ahead and mix this up real good. Make sure all your seasonings, your flour, your cornstarch, everything is well mixed. And I want to make sure my skillet is nice and hot because I'm going straight in with them. So I'm going to let that skillet heat up a little bit hotter and we'll be right back. Okay, I can hear this flour sizzling around in there, so I know my skillet should be good and hot. Okay. And I'm going to try to keep a dry hand and a wet hand, but for some reason I always forget and mix them up, but we'll see what happens today, okay? So we're going to go in first with our flour mixture. Move this back so you guys make sure you can see everything. Then we're going to go right on in to our buttermilk. Make sure you get the excess off. Back into the flour. And we're going to dip it one more time. One more time, guys. Back over here to the buttermilk. And back into your flour. Right on into hot oil. Oh yeah, sizzling up right nicely, guys, right nicely. That's what we want. And these don't take long to cook because they're nice and thin. Into the buttermilk. Make sure the excess runs off. Back back into your flour mixture. And once again. And I'm going to bang the rest of these out, and we'll be right back. We're going to go ahead and turn them over. Look how nice and golden brown that is. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm going to let these other ones stay on the same side for a few more minutes, and we'll get those flipped over. And our biscuits are just about ready to come out of the oven, so we're going to make a little honey butter to brush over the top of them. I've just got a little melted butter here, and to it I'm going to add about a spoonful of honey. This is local honey, guys, from my area, and you can add as much honey as you like for your sweetness. Make sure you mix it really, really well. Okay, guys, our biscuits are all out of the oven, nice and golden brown. Let me see if I have enough honey in here for my own taste. Delicious, delicious, delicious. I'm gonna brush the tops of them off, guys. Brush the tops. Coupled with the saltiness from the pork chop, the sweetness from the honey. Oh my goodness, the butter in the biscuits. Can you hear the pork chops frying up in the background? Yes. Okay. Biscuits are ready. Yes. Let's go back and check on our pork chops. Okay, guys, they are looking good. Looking good. Yes. See how nice and crispy they are on both sides? Oh my goodness. Guys, these are our biscuits. And these are our country fried pork chops. Look at how crispy they are. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Let me see. This is not too hot still. One of our biscuits out here. Oh my goodness, guys. Woo. Look at the biscuit, look at the biscuit. Just want you guys to see how nice and brown they are on all sides. That was quick and easy. Oh, my goodness. Can't be dropping my food. Come on now. Okay. So we're just gonna take our bread knife here and slice this biscuit right down the middle. Oh my goodness, so we can remove the top. Show you guys, look how fluffy these biscuits are inside. Oh my goodness. We're gonna take us a nice crispy piece of pork chop, put it on here, and top it off. Yes, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let's do another one. And I'm gonna bring you guys up close so you can take a look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, guys, so that you'll always get my videos every time I upload it. And you know the early bird catches the worm, so you'll be first in line. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all, and I hope you have an amazing week. Oh my goodness, this is so fluffy inside. Delicious, delicious, delicious. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Okay guys, these are our finished biscuit sandwiches. Oh my goodness, guys. Thank you once again for coming and hanging out with me. Don't forget to take a look at the biscuit video right at the end of this one so that you can make nice fluffy biscuits quick and in a hurry just like I did. And I will see you next time, the good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.